Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your general love reading for the month of May. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals here. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for the month of May 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages for the month of May for Aquarius, which I need to deliver. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Okay, so the first card for you is Queen of Pentacles. Here there is Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands, and this Seven of Swords energy. While shuffling also I was getting the energy of Seven of Swords. There is someone who is a player kind of energy here, Aquarius, but use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. There is someone here, Knight of Wands and Seven of Swords. Okay, Seven of Swords and Knight of Wands is here. There is someone around you who is a in and out energy, player kind of energy, deceptive, lying, cheating, manipulation, and they ignite your passion basically, or you ignite the passion in them. Here they see you as someone who is very, financially stable, grounded. Here, can you see how this person is looking towards you? Maybe you are financially stable, grounded, independent, you know how to manage your finances, and you ignite the passion in them, or they ignite the passion in them. But this energy is not good at all for you, Aquarius, because this is deceptive energy here. Okay, this is someone who is a deceptive energy, who lies, cheats, manipulates with you here. Okay, and you have to use your intuition. High Priestess is here. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, let me see more. Please give me Aquarius messages for the month. See, Devil. And while shuffling also I was getting these energies, Devil. This energy is not good for you. This is someone who is very toxic. Okay, who manipulates you, who plays mind games with you. They're coming back. This is someone who is an in and out energy here. Okay, use your intuitions. Maybe they always tell you that yes, I'm going to give you this 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. I want to start a family with you, but you have the clarity. You have the clarity. Ace of Swords is here. You don't have anything which is, you are not in any confusion here, I can say that. Okay, you are having everything clear in your mind that this energy is not good for you. Any other message? Lot of messages. I am not going to pick up these cards. Okay, so yes, this person is coming towards you with lot of passion, again trying to manipulate you, again trying to play mind games with you, but you have the clarity here, Aquarius. You have the clarity. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius May 2021. Again, Justice is here again and again. Yeah, Magician is here. 10 of Wands is here. So either you are releasing all the burdens on your shoulders, or this person is releasing all the burdens on the shoulder here. Someone is doing the manifestation. Death and rebirth is here. Transformation is taking place. Someone is doing the manifestation here. Magician is here. So either this person is doing the manifestation, or you are doing the manifestation. Let me see more messages. What are the messages? Okay, Six of Swords. You want to come towards the calmer waters, and you're coming as calmer waters. Right now you are rising as an empress. You have to take a decision, but you are unable to make a decision here with the Two of Swords. Maybe this person is trying to give you a stable committed offer with the Ace of Pentacles, and but you know the truth, Aquarius. This is you, Queen of Swords. Okay, you already know the truth here. Can you see Ace of Swords is here? You already know in the past, this is not someone who is a new energy, I can say. This is someone who always comes in your life, plays with your emotion and ghosts you away. Okay, player kind of energy. This cannot be. This is someone who is very sneaky, manipulated, tries to play a mind games with you. You have to use your intuitions. Your intuition is trying to tell you that this is not a good person. This is not someone who is for you. This is someone who is being connected with the toxicity here. The devil is here, and that's why this card is here. Okay, Queen of Wands. Here I'm having King of Swords, but I'm not going to take it. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Page of Swords. They are keeping tabs on you. They're doing this. Yeah, they are not happy at all. Five of Cups. They're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on the things which they have done. They have treated you wrong, and they are not happy without you here. Now they want to give you equal amount of give and take, but your guards are up. Can you see? Your defensive mode is on. They want to give you equal amount of give and take here. Maybe every time they come in your life and they say you that I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take, but they did not give that. They did not give that. Seven of Swords is here, so your Seven of Wands is here again. So yes, they are looking towards you here. Can you see Eight of Pentacles and Nine of Cups? Because you are the wish fulfillment for them. Here I'm having Wheel of Fortune and the Lovers. So yes, bottom of the deck I'm having, wow, Nine of Pentacles and Four of Wands. This person is having lot of options to choose here. Can you see Seven of Cups? They are having confusion. They are having lot of options to choose. But they see you as someone who is very single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. So yes, this is what it is. So they are not happy at all without you. Can you see how this person is looking towards you? They are spying on you, maybe through social media ads, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, anything. But they are keeping tabs on you about what my Aquarius are doing. And they see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive. That's why you ignite the passion in them. Ace of Wands is here. You ignite the passion in them. You give them passion, and they see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive, creative, mysterious. Okay, they are manifesting you. Basically they are doing the manifestation. They want to come back in your life because they are not happy without you. Five of Cups. They are not happy without you. Okay, let me see more message from the oracles. What are the messages for Aquarius May for this reading? Hangman, Lovers. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? Hermit, Wheel of Fortune is here again. Okay, so maybe this person is feeling like an hangman here, and they're gaining the strength to approach you. Bottom of the deck is Star here. They're gaining the strength to approach you, basically. Right now they cannot move in a forward direction. They're feeling like an hangman. They want to move and they will be moving in a forward direction. See, devil is here again. This person is not good at all. Toxicity is at some toxicity is attached to this person. Okay, what is the toxicity? You know better, but this person is toxic, I can say that. Devil is here again. Bottom of the deck, I'm having chariot here. They want to move in a forward direction, but they can't move here. The hangman is here. So yes, maybe they're doing the soul searching here. The hermit mode is on, or you are doing your soul searching, but this person is not good at all for you, I can say that, because use your intuitions, Aquarius. High priestess is here again. Use your intuitions. This is not someone, because here I'm having, this person cannot give you a commitment, I can say that. Maybe they, every time they come towards you and they say that I want to create abundance of everything with you. 1111 is the recording reading time. But you have the clarity here. You have the clarity that this person is not going to give you commitment. This person is not going to do what they are always commit to you. They always say to you. And you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder here. This situation is going to end. Death and transformation, death and rebirth is here. Transformation is taking place. They want to come towards you. They're doing the manifestation. They want to come towards you, and they want to come towards the calmer waters with you. They're keeping in tabs with you. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very grounded, very stable, independent, enjoying your singlehood, and they are not happy without you. Simple, they are not happy without you at all. Okay, so let's see more messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? Love reading May 2021. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius May? What are the messages? Facet and prayer. What are the messages? Service, acceptance. What are the messages? Enlightenment, confusion. Yeah, see, right? Maybe Aquarius, you are having confusion whether to take a decision or not. Here, confusion is here. But don't worry, your enlightenment is here. Can you see? You have the answers within yourself. You have the clarity here. Okay, you have the clarity. You don't have to be in this confusion state whether to take the decision or not. If this person is someone from your past and they always come you and ghost you away, you already know the truth. Okay, there is miracle and there is perfection here. So you need to do the acceptance is here. So accept the things as they are. Okay, let me read it out the facet here. Okay, healing the childhood pain. Okay, that's the message I'm getting. You need to do your inner child healing. Imagine yourself as a child running and taking flight. Do your healing here. Okay, you have to do your childhood healing. That's the message I'm getting. If you have not done your inner child healing, you have to do your inner child healing. There is prayers here. So all prayers are answered following where life leads. You have the clarity, destination, and authenticity. So yes, you have the all your prayers are being answered, and you can have a look on your main reading too. In that reading too, there was a message that there is a wish fulfillment which is going to be granted for you. So maybe you are doing the manifestation, you want this person in your life. Okay, and there is a wish which is going to become true. Your prayers have been answered, and you getting the blessings of the service which you provide to someone in the family who is older one, who has been passed away. So you're getting the blessings here. So if you're feeling the confusion, don't be in the confusion state, because enlightenment is here. Okay, you're going to get the enlightenment. There is some kind of miracle which is happening for you here. And a lot of yellow energy is here. Okay, this is the third chakra, solar plexus chakra, that is going to be activated inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, lot of yellow energy, I can say that. So this was the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from Activation Oracle. What is the message? Scale chakra. See, I told you what, lot of yellow light, orange light is here. The frequency of scale chakra, the orange flower, lot of light. Okay, so there is Merkaba, throat chakra and scale chakra. These two chakras are getting activated inside of you. Okay, your thought chakra is getting activated, your scale chakra is getting activated. The frequency of thought chakra, the blue flower of life, supports our self-expression and our sense of peace and balance. So beautiful, your thought chakra is getting activated here. There is scale chakra, the frequency of scale chakra, the orange flower of life, supports our ability to flow with our desires and stimulates our creative power to manifest success and abundance in our lives. So beautiful. And this is very powerful message, Markaba. This is the frequency of Markaba, supports our ability to use our consciousness to transverse into other layers of reality and dimension. It activates our access to our Akashic inheritance, as well as merging the totality of our experiences into our present to serve our highest process. Beautiful message. So these three messages are here. Let me see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from angels and ancestors. What are the messages for Aquarius? That was very fast. Okay, there is heart guardian, there is air guardian. Shift your perception, see the picture from a higher perspective, see the bigger picture. And there is love, and let yourself be loved. You need to do your heart chakra healing. Let your heart be open. Let love and let yourself be loved. Okay, there is a guardian angel which is there with you. You are not alone. Maybe you are finding out the feather around yourself, so you need to know that you are not alone. There is a guardian angel with you, Aquarius. There is sage, be devoted and committed. See, hermit energy is here again. So you are doing your soul searching, you're doing your meditation, inner work. Keep going, keep doing it. Be devoted and committed. There is knight, be brave and honest. Okay, be brave and honest with yourself. There is magic guardian, unlock the magic within yourself. So this is the message I'm getting for you. This is beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some message in the from the yogic path. And in the extended, I'm going to see these energies. Okay, I'm going to clarify these energies, and let's see what are the more messages I'm going to get for you. So let's see more messages from the yogic path. What are the messages for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius? Okay. This is Lalita Tripura Sundari. Okay. Let me read it out for you. This is the goddess of erotic spirituality. Move towards that which makes you feel sensual, awake and alive. In our society, we have been taught to repress our divine feminine nature in order to taken seriously. However, by doing so, we are only operating as half of a whole. Lalita has come to remind you of your inner tantrika energy, that which owes with erotic Shakti life force. It's time to merge your spiritual self with your sexual self. As you The two are instantly related. Enjoy all things with sensuality. Food, conversation, self care, movement. Follow what feels good and not what makes sense to a practical system. Bring in all aspects of yourself to the table and watch your life blossom. So, this is beautiful. This is beautiful message here which I'm getting here for you. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. There is a new life which is coming for you, Aquarius. 2020 was the recording reading time. What is the message for Aquarius, May 2021? Take a risk and move in a forward direction. There is risk here. Okay, let me see more first. What is the message for Aquarius? Psychic awareness, physical body. Wow, I told you. See, again the new life. New life is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is psychic awareness which is coming for you. You becoming more psychically aware than before. You are becoming spiritually I can say aware. Spiritual growth is coming for you in the month of May. There is physical body, Gaia, and there is imagination here, inner child. Again, 2121 was the recording reading time. You have to do your inner child healing. Take care of your inner child. So let me read it out for you. The risk. This is risk. This says that flaunt your sexy self, flirt, laugh, explore, take your free spirit for a walk on a wild side. You need to push the limits past the familiar, the predictable, and the safe, free from fear grips. This will give you psychic juice to create your joy's guide message. Let your hair down and live a little. Okay, see the same message. Do something which your soul wants to do. Do something which your inner child wants to do here. Okay, don't be afraid of doing that. What these things, what others will think, let them think what they want to think. Okay, there is nutrition. This is pay attention to your body here. Physical body is here. You need to pay attention to your physical body. That's the message I'm getting. Beautiful message. I can see you becoming more psychic awareness, new life. Love it. So yes, this is the message which I'm getting for you. So let me see one message from Journey Within. What are the message for Aquarius? One message. Many message. One message. Okay. Spiritual investments. If you do not actively invest in spiritual growth, your quality of life will remain shallow, vulnerable to uncertainties, and subject to fickle demands of the mind and success. So keep involved, keep doing your inner work, keep going in a forward direction. Spiritual investments is here. So yes, let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? Aquarius, Capricorn is here. Libra is here. Virgo. Okay, Cancer, Aries, Gemini, Sagittarius. What are the signs which Aquarius is dealing with? Any other sign? Taurus and Pisces. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Taurus, Pisces. There is Sagittarius and Gemini. There is Cancer and Aries. There is Virgo and Libra. Okay, there is Capricorn and Aquarius. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. This was your reading for the month of May. So there is someone who is very manipulator and lying, cheating, toxic. Someone from your past maybe is coming back towards you, and they're not happy without you. They want to approach you, but you have the clarity. It's not that you don't have any clarity, you have the clarity. So use your intuition and take the decisions according to that. And in the extended, I'm going to see these energies and going to clarify these cards in a deeper level. I hope it resonates with you. You can skip it out if it is not resonating with you. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. And take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.